We're no strangers to juicy leaks here at our channel, but every now and then, something really unexpected pops up, and this one's a wild ride. The yet-to-be-announced Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic has just shown up for sale on eBay. With Samsung's official reveal still a month away, someone's already trying to offload what looks like a prototype of the upcoming smartwatch for $200 to $500. It features a silver 46mm metal case paired with a black stitched leather band, and based on its model number, SML 505U, it seems to be the LTE version made for the US market. The design? Kind of chunky, with a squircle shape that mashes together a circle and square. Think Galaxy Watch Ultra vibes. But the real kicker? The return of the rotating bezel. It's a fan-favorite feature that went missing in action for a bit, but it's back, although it looks a little odd in the pics. There are 3 buttons on the right side, a pretty hefty speaker on the left, and no standard strap connectors, so if you were hoping to swap bands like you did with older Galaxy watches, no dice. The listing also confirms something pretty exciting. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is packing 64 gigs of internal storage, twice as much as what the Galaxy Watch 7 and Watch Ultra had. That's a serious bump. Under the hood, it's rumored to be powered by the same Exynos W1000 chip found in its predecessors, and will likely ship with Wear OS 6 running Samsung's new One UI 8 watch skin. Other expected specs include a 1.5-inch Super AMOLED display with always-on mode, sapphire crystal glass, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, dual-frequency GPS, 10 watts wireless charging, and a whole suite of health tracking sensors, ECG, heart rate, SpO2, temperature sensing, you name it. Now, the current owner hasn't actually gotten it to work yet, probably because the thing isn't officially out, but it's a pretty safe bet we're looking at the real deal. If the rumors and leaks are right, Samsung will officially unveil the Galaxy Watch 8 series in July, alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7. So get ready for a packed launch event, but don't hold your breath for the Watch Ultra 2 just yet. That one's probably reserved for next year. So, what do you think? Did this eBay leak just spoil Samsung's surprise? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay curious, stay techie, and take care.